Hundreds of people to flee their homes on remnants of the Islamic Courts Union, which was ousted last December.
The government's been attacked by the Islamic Courts terrorist network. They're working alongside Al-Qaeda after it announced their new head of operations, Adin Khashi Airo. He's now here in Mogadishu leading the fighting.
The Islamic courts deny launching the latest attacks, and analysts believe various militia groups are now driving the insurgency. This fighter says, "We're defending our honor, our religion and our country against the infidels and those who work with them. God willing, we'll defeat them." It follows a day of fierce clashes that killed at least 60 people and wounded dozens more, bringing back memories of the darkest days of the civil war. Fighters dragged the corpses of what appeared to be government soldiers through the streets before burning them. Sometimes residents joined in. Ethiopia insists none of its own troops died. The US has condemned the violence and insists Ethiopia's help is needed in Somalia.
Their intervention removed the Islamic courts from their attempt to seize power in the country, and did pave the way for and again we have to keep coming back to this point, for the legitimately chosen transitional federal institutions to assert their authority.
The interim government boldly announced it will pacify Mogadishu within 30 days, ahead of a reconciliation conference here. Meanwhile, the United Nations has put the number who've fled the city since February at 40,000, and it's rising all the time. Nadeem Barber, Al Jazeera.